Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's look, I'll be doing something for you lovebirds for Valentine's Day. I just want to point out that this look is not just reserved for Valentine's Day. You can wear it whenever you want. But since Valentine's Day is approaching, I wanted to do a look that played up on the pinks and the cranberries of, you know, Valentine's Day. When you think of love, you think of pink or red. So if you guys are interested in seeing how this look came out, then keep on watching. Alright, so my lids have been prepped and primed, my eyebrows have been done, and I've primed my skin with my usual Fenty Beauty primer. I'm actually really excited for today's look because I finally got my hands on the Huda Beauty Warm's Obsession palette. It's so pretty and like I'm super excited to be playing with this. I'm actually gonna take the thing off when I can't. Honestly, having nails sometimes is like a pain in the ass. Like they look good, but they legit, I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do that later because I can't fit with these things. To begin this look, I'm gonna start off by applying this color right here into the crease. Ooh, look at that pigment. Ooh. Wow. Whoa. Oh, this looks so good. Okay. Okay, Huda. I'm also gonna go ahead and layer this shadow right here, right on top. And then for the crease, I'm gonna be using this color right here, just in the outer V of my eye and a little bit into the crease. Oh girl. Ooh, wow. I actually really like the shadow because at like first glance, it looks like a deep dark brown, but it has a bit of, I wanna say purple in it. Like it looks a bit mauve-y. It's like a mauve brown. Is that even a thing? Y'all, I'm no professional when it comes to makeup, but this is just what I think I'm seeing. Oh, I love this color. Okay, I'm feeling this color a lot. Oh, it's pretty. I actually am loving this look so far. This is just... Okay. Those Huda Beauty eyeshadows are bomb. Like, they're pigmented and they blend really easily. I love that. I love it. Love it. Love it! So moving on to the lid colors, I'm actually gonna be using my Urban Decay Heavy Metals palette. First of all, I love this palette, but it's so big and clunky. It's just like, why you gotta be so big though? Like, why? But I got it for 40 bucks because they were like doing like the end of seasonal sales for all the seasonal products. And I got this for 40 when it was, I think it was originally like 75 or 80 bucks. So I was just like, normally I would pass on it because the packaging is so bulky, but I was just like, this palette has like every like shadow like I need on this side to have like a pop of color, and then my typical usual warm tone shadow. So then I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. I'm never gonna travel with it, but I'm gonna get it because I'm you know, time when I'm not traveling, this is just gonna come super handy as it is for this look. So, actually starting off, I'm gonna be taking Rodeo, which is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lid, and then I'm gonna layer it with this color right here, After Party. Ooh, I really love the way that this looks. Legit, you could literally end the look right here, put on some mascara, you know, put on the rest of your face, smoke up the lash line and be done. But I'm extra. So, and once, as I mentioned before, I'm gonna be taking After Party right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and layer that on top. Okay, so I like the way that that looks. Yes, I'm still using my Clinique. Okay, so I have my foundation on. I did a very light layer because I want to keep my skin as natural looking as possible. And now I'm going to move on to my concealer, which is my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just going to highlight. I really like this concealer. It's very inexpensive and like, it's just bomb. It stays on. It looks good. It performs like a high-end concealer, which I like. For like half the price. Now I'm not going to do too much concealer. I don't know, some of y'all may look at this and be like, girl, that's already a lot of concealer, but for me it's not. So I'm just gonna do just lightest amount. And then to blend that out, I'm gonna use my Sephora number 88 brush. Just gonna pat that in to get the most coverage. And to lightly set my under eyes, I'm gonna be using my Cover FX setting powder in medium. For bronzer, I'll be using my usual Sephora Compact. Okay, for blush, I'm going to be using NYX Cinnamon. And we're doing like the lightest application of it because we want to keep the skin looking flushed but natural. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be using my MAC Lustre drops in Sunrush. And I opted for more of a liquid blush because it, once again, adds to that natural appearance to the skin. And to lightly set that, I'll be using my Fenty Beauty highlighter in, damn it, if I can get it open. Oh my god. Whoa. Good. To set that, I'll be using my Girl Next Door highlighter. Okay, going back to the eyes for the lower lash line, I'm actually going to be taking this color that we put into our crease. I'm going to use that to diffuse our lower lash line lightly. To finish up the eyes, I'm actually going to go back into Scream right here, and we're going to go ahead and apply that into our inner tear duct for a pop. To highlight the brow one, I'm actually going to be using the same highlight from Fenty Beauty. Okay, I'm just going to apply my mascara. The eyes are finished, the skin is done, and just to finish it up, I'm going to be using my lip liner from NYX. For the center of my lips, I'm going to be using my Milani lip liner in Spice. If you're more of a matte lip girl, you can end the look here, but you know me, I love my gloss, so I'm going to be using this lip gloss from NYX. Alright y'all, so this is it for the final makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. Please let me know if you're going to be using this look or putting your own spin on it. Until then, please give me a like if you enjoyed it, comment, and subscribe. Why not? I mean, you're already here, you might as well, you know what I'm saying? If you want to see me again next Monday for another makeup tutorial look. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye!